Let's continue studying the book of Deepak Chopra, The Third Jesus. So this is a spiritual book. Medyo siguro we're trying to find ourselves in understanding or interpreting yung ang mga theories ni Sir Deepak Chopra. So if you have comments, please comment down below so that yun, it can help us explain. So yung principle number 11 sa God consciousness natin, lessons and exercises, you are the light of the world. So the universe thinks and acts through you. So tayo daw yung magbibigay ng light sa world. So ang world natin, di ba, is our family, our work, our ministry. So we are asked to share kung ano ba yung light natin. Probably our light is our skills in communication, our skills in counseling or serving. So marami po. Yung light is not necessarily as the light of Jesus, no? But whatever talents or service we can give, that's the light of that we can share to the world. So let us not be threatened, no? Kung ano man yan, no? So, the universe thinks and acts through you. You are not the result of physical forces that have driven all of creation, with human intelligence being a large stage byproduct. Rather, a universal intelligence is experiencing self through countless forms. You are one of His intelligence, that you are also the whole of, not just of the whole. You are just a cell in the body is expressing the body's wholeness. You are expressing the wholeness of creation at this very minute. So friend nga, as I was sharing earlier, yung light natin is not just something as vague or as philosophical as Jesus' light. Yung nagpipreach, nag-heal ng sick people or possessed by them. Siyempre, we do not have that capacity. But we have our ears that can listen to others. We have our resources. If we have financial resources, we can also give to others who are in need, food, money that we can share kung ano yung kailangan nila. So there are many forms that we are the light to others' world, diba? So yan, thank you for watching. See you on our next video.